Hello guys, what's up?
MXM, like, share, and subscribe.
Keep my game straight ahead as the last stop flies by.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're reacting to The Great Khalli.
Hi guys, what's up?
So if you guys are not aware, Khalli's Insta is a gift that just keeps on giving. Dalip Singh Rana, or you might know him as Khalli, has had the wildest career till now. He went from being a police officer to a WWE wrestler. WWE stands for World Wrestling Entertainment, and I can assure you Khalli took the entertainment part too seriously and put it in his content. Because now Khalli sir is an
Instagram influencer.
something I am still trying to do, but we'll get there. My man is 7'1". Okay, now we're doing an experiment to see how tall Khalli sir actually is. This is how tall he is. If it Khalli sir was on my bed, this is how he would look. If Khalli sir tried entering through my door, he wouldn't even fit. He would reach the cupboard side. Yay! Initially, Khalli sir was a world champion, beating all the big names like The Undertaker, John Cena, sub. But फिर Khalli sir हो गए horny. This gave rise to the Punjabi Playboy.
Happy Valentine's Day. आज है किस कैंप?
For 3 years, Khalli used to host this kissing camp where he used to pick random girls from the audience and kiss them live on television for millions to see. Khalli sir is winning in all aspects of life. For his kissing antics, he won the Damn Moment of the Year award as well.
ये बार में जीता, मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई है, और लेकिन ये सब कुछ ये नहीं है, और हमारे और भी कुछ दुनिया पे कुछ करना है.
Sir was basically WWE's Himesh Reshammiya. Himesh Reshammiya? I mean, I'm Imran Hashmi. Whichever one is the one that keeps kissing on screen. Khalli sir was that of WWE. So do you guys remember as kids we used to have fancy dress parties for our birthdays?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Khalli sir continued this tradition when he became a tooth fairy for The Rock's birthday.
You are the tooth fairy.
If I knew that the tooth fairy looked like this, I would have never hidden my tooth under the pillow. Nahi chahiye gift, it's okay. But aisa tooth fairy?
Birthday. Yay.
Khalli sir was finally abducted into the WWE Hall of Fame. फिर Khalli sir गए Big Boss में where he had a customized special bed made for him because he couldn't fit in his original bed. He finished the first runner-up. Runner-up भी है तो first. Khalli sir is great. Khalli sir also had some movie cameos here and there, but that brought us to what he was meant to do all this while.
Feel karo, feel karo.
Khalli sir has many talents.
शादी है मैं नाच रहा हूँ
लिप सिंक है मैं करूंगा.
ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਢਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਢਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਗੀ
बर्थडे है मैं नाच रहा हूँ
डांस है मैं करूंगा.
ਆਓ ਜੱਟ ਖੱਬੀ ਸੀਟ ਤੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ
मुंडन है बच्चा रो रहा है मैं नाच रहा हूँ
कॉमेडी है मैं करूंगा.
No.
फिटनेस वीडियोस है मैं करूंगा. मॉडलिंग है मैं करूंगा.
होगी बर्बाद हो गया होगी जाने पंछी आजाद हो गया.
I hate seeing talent get wasted.
I don't like to see money getting wasted.
But no, it's not like that. Khalli sir is very thankful and sporting.
I would say thank you so much guys supporting me and आप इतना support करते हैं.
Khalli sir said thank you to his French also.
Thanks for all my fans.
Then one day people realized that Khalli sir is like a god. He can do anything. And then they started asking him bizarre things in the comments. I want you guys to imagine these things as I read them, okay? Something that is common for Khalli sir is posting 4-5 photos a day, even if it means posting the same photo every day. This one guy commented, "Sir, ऐसे ही post डाल के Instagram की pen drive full कर दो." "Sir, shirt फाड़ के blanket बना दो." सर पुशअप्स मारकर भूकंप ला दो।
सर कोविशील्ड पी के एक फूक मार दो पूरा इंडिया वैक्सीनेशन हो जाए। आई एग्री विद हिम, प्लीज वैक्सीनेट कर दो खल्ली सर।
सर एक फूक मारकर मार्स पर भेज दो। Just imagine Khalli sir. The guy reaches Mars. After this, the great Khalli posted this photo.
सर जी अपने फोरहेड पे हेलीपैड बनवा लो। I love how they've exaggerated the size and height of खल्ली so much.
Indian meme community is undefeated. Sir, NASA का रॉकेट हाथ से फेंक के लॉन्च कर दो। सर मेरा घर 2 BHK है, आप धक्का मार के 4 BHK कर दो। प्लीज 4 BHK कर दो प्लीज। सर मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दो। सर मेरा भी प्लीज। सर मेरे आंखों में कूर के चश्मे का नंबर बढ़ा दो। सर आई एम अ बार्बी गर्ल पे रील्स बनाओ। सर फूक मार के ब्लैक होल तैयार कर दो।
सर अपने बाल खोल के अंधेरा कर दो।
सर चिल्ला चिल्ला कर साउंड पोल्यूशन बढ़ा दो। So recently Khalli sir posted this photo with I think his 3 friends or some office. सर इनको पापा की परी बोल के चिढ़ाओ।
पापा की परी। सर उनके कपड़े उतार कर पपी शेम करो।
पपी शेम करो। I can't. This is too funny. सर तीनों को आपस में जोड़ दो। Remember that height difference that I was talking about? Here was a picture of Khalli and Rey Mysterio. Someone commented saying, "Sir इसे खा जाओ." सर कुछ भी खा सकते हैं according to them. Slow-mo में tortoise को रेस में हरा दो. Think about what they've just said. Slow-mo में कछुए को, which is a tortoise, रेस में हरा दो.
Oh God.
And Khalli sir posted a photo with his phone. सर फोन खींच के प्लाज्मा टीवी बना दो. What?
Elon Musk को धमकी देके उसके सारे बिटकॉइन चुरा लो।
If Khalli sir came to me and he said,
Give me your money.
I would give him everything.
सर रील्स को खींच के पूरी मूवी बना दो।
And Khalli sir went to SeaWorld. सर पत्थर को चॉकलेट समझ के खा जाओ।
सर शार्क पकड़ के खा जाओ।
सर ये आपको कितना कुछ खिलाते हैं, आपका स्टमक अपसेट हो जाएगा। डाइजीन खाओ और सो जाओ। सारे मछलियों का आधार कार्ड बना दो। ओह इमेजिन ऑल द फिश हैव आधार कार्ड। मछली सिंह, मछली मल्होत्रा। टू गुड। स्माइल करके पूरी दुनिया की परेशानी गायब कर दो।
Precious when you smile.
I agree with this. Every time Khalli sir posts on Instagram and he smiles, it makes me really happy personally. Trust me guys, his comment section is the most entertaining, most hilarious thing I've seen. You guys have to go and check it out. This is the stuff that goes on. Sir ये forehead पे apartment बनवा लो।
मतलब रियल एस्टेट तो खल्ली सर का ही है। 2 BHK को खींच के 4 BHK में कर दो, उन पे हेलीपैड बना लो, अपार्टमेंट बना लो। So convenient.
सर पीछे ब्रिक को चाय में डुबो के खा जाओ। This is not Parle G biscuit. Okay, if Khalli sir holds a brick, he'll be like Parle G only for him. But sir को कितना कुछ खिला दिया, शाक खिला दिया, पत्थर खिला दिया। सर ये मत खाओ। Khalli sir आप comment section off करके आज कुछ मत करो, आप रेस्ट करो please. This is the funniest thing on the internet right now. I can't. It's my daily source of entertainment. It always makes me laugh out loud. Also, I quickly wanted to say thank you for the love and support you showed my sister and I for the last video. We're doing a part 2 for that. That'll come sometime this week or next week. So thank you so much for watching. You guys know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, it's been your boy, MXL. Also, Khalli sir, I love you. You have my heart. You're the sweetest person ever. I did not mean to offend you or be rude to you. I hope you keep doing what you're doing. You'll have a even more successful career than you have already. You truly bring a smile to my face, and I'm sure a million others.